Welcome to Sikho Flutter. Is your long list slow or laggy? In this video you will learn ListView.builder, the right way to show long lists in Flutter, explained in simple English. When you use a normal list view with children, Flutter builds every single item at once. If you have 1000 items, it builds all 1000, even the ones off screen. That wastes memory and makes scrolling slow. ListView.builder is smarter. It builds items only when they are about to appear on screen, and it recycles them as you scroll. So even with 10,000 items, only a handful exist in memory at any moment. This keeps scrolling smooth. You give it two important things. Item count, which is how many items you have. And item builder, a function that returns the widget for a given index. Flutter calls this function only for the items it needs. Look at the code on screen. One bonus tip. If your list items can reorder or change, give each item a key, like a value key with a unique ID. This helps Flutter track items correctly and avoid strange bugs when the list updates. To recap, a normal list view builds everything at once and gets slow. ListView.builder builds items on demand and stays fast. Use item count and item builder. That is it. Subscribe to Sikho Flutter for a new Flutter lesson every day.